If you are buying the Spider-Man Next Chapter Air Jordan 1s, please leave a bunch of fire emojis down below in the comments section. If you plan on passing on the Spider-Man or Next Chapter Air Jordan 1s, please comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who's copping and who's not. Smash that like button right now. If you guys can get this video up to 600 likes, I'm gonna give away a pair of the Spider-Man Next Chapter Air Jordan 1s. Giveaway. I'm giving away a pair of Travis Scott Olives to one of you guys watching. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, join the Moore family, leave a comment, let me know your size in the Travis Scott Olive Air Jordan 1s, and then DM me proof on Instagram. Send me a picture, send me a screenshot, send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below and hit that thumbs up, because if you guys can get this video up to 600 likes, I'm going to give away a pair of the Spider-Man Next Chapter Air Jordan 1s as well. So, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Travis Scott Olives. This giveaway ends at the end of this month. Good luck on a free pair of the Travis Scott Olive Air Jordan 1s. Sneakerheads, check this out. Sole Premise makes sneaker bags that hold your sneakers safely and securely with you when you're traveling. How fire is that? I have room for all my clothes, laptop, chargers, my sneakers, everything I need with me. Sole Premise also makes backpacks that hold your sneakers. They have luggage bags that hold your sneakers. All of their bags are made and designed to hold your sneakers with you when you're traveling. You also have room for your clothes, laptop, chargers, tons and tons of room in each and every Sole Premise bag. And the best part is that these bags are 40% off using my promo code Danny Moore. When you guys click my link down below in the description, use my promo code Danny Moore at checkout, you're getting 40% off the entire website. Every bag you see on their site is 40% off. That is insane. And what's more insane about Sole Premise bags is the quality. The quality, the craftsmanship, the colorways. They have so many bags, it's crazy, and they all hold your shoes, guys. Sneakerheads, these bags are literally perfect for us. They're made for sneakerheads. Make sure you guys click my link down below. Check out Sole Premise. Use my promo code Danny Moore for 40% off your order. Thank you so much, Sole Premise, for sponsoring this fire video. New background. I reorganized. I have a new background of my videos. You guys are going to see this background from here on out. I'm very excited. And as you guys can see, I got all my shoes. Everything very nice. So what does this mean? Sneaker collection video very, very soon. Hit that thumbs up if you guys want me to do a full sneaker collection video next week. Hit that thumbs up. The Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse Next Chapter Air Jordan 1s release on May 20th. Retail is $200 on the men's and $150 on the grade school. And I'm going to tell you guys right now, in my opinion, these are going to be a big future problem, and here's why. This is a themed sneaker, Spider-Man of all things. One day, years down the line, it will take time. These are not going to go up anytime soon, but down the line, these are going to go up in price. It's inevitable, if you ask me. I think these are going to go up. It's just going to happen. Why? It's a themed shoe. It's a themed shoe with Spider-Man. It's as simple as that. On a Jordan 1 with the black, red, and white colorway. Listen, guys, it's very close to a Chicago. Let me know your thoughts. Is this a Chicago Air Jordan 1? I know some people do believe that this is a Chicago Jordan 1. And listen, it's not far off. It really isn't far off. Now, the details are what really separate this from a Chicago Air Jordan 1. But I must say, the quality, the details, get them in hand. I think you guys are going to like these much better in hand than you would with videos or pictures. Videos, pictures, I don't think do these things any justice. Get them in hand and then form your opinion. I did not like pictures. I did not like videos at all. In hand, they're fire. Much better. Now, let me show you guys and break down the shoe. So this material here where the Wings logo is, which I know a lot of people are not a fan of that right there. That whole pattern going on with all the dots. I'm not sure what material it is. It feels like a paperish material, to be honest. It's the only material on the shoe. I'm not 100% sure of what it is. On the back heel, over here, we have really, really nice nubuck material in the black and the red. Very, very dope. Then you do have patent leather for the back. And as you guys can see, and the swoosh, as you guys can see, that patent leather has a really nice rainbow effect to it. And I think it really stands out. It gives the shoe a nice pop, along with the little hit there of the red patent leather. Then you have some more nubuck over here, some suede over here, very, very soft. And it goes back into a lighter shade of red around the toe with the leather. White leather on the toe, white leather on the midsection. This tongue here is a little different than your traditional Jordan 1. I will say it's a lot more stiff than your traditional Jordan 1. And then you do have the Nike Air branding on the front there, which is not normal because on the back, there's nothing there. Normally on Jordan 1s, we have some type of tag with all the writing. There's nothing on the back, and this Nike Air logo is different as well. But hey, we do have Nike Air on the tongue. Nice to see as well. Now, this bottom is insane. These glow in the dark. Insane. The glow is really, really dope. I did have to use a black light to activate it, or you guys can use sunlight. They're not really gonna glow based off of regular light like other Nike shoes do. And this glow is not even green. It's more like a yellowish color. It really does pop and it's loud. And I think it really makes the shoe even a little bit better. That red, really vibrant outsole, glow in the dark. You know that this sneaker, this bottom is gonna get dirty. I highly recommend using Drip Grip sole protectors when you guys wear your Spider-Man Air Jordan 1s. Even when you're wearing the sneaker, it'll keep them brand new, keep that bottom very, very fresh, and it'll preserve the glow in the darkness of the sneaker. So make sure you guys cop your Drip Grip sole protectors, the best sole protector on the market. Link down below, and don't forget to use my code Danny10 for 10% off. On the inside, you have a black insole, a dark red Nike Air. They only come with black laces, which is a little disappointing. And as you guys saw, the regular black and red Nike box. Why is retail $200? My guess is because they have to pay money to Marvel for the Spider-Man name, the theme. They are calling it the Across the Spider-Verse, which is the movie. Let's talk about the movie. The movie drops June 2nd. It's coming out in theaters. So I think these right here are a great shoe to wear to the movie. If you guys are gonna go to the movies, wear these. I wore my Lost and Founds when I saw Air. I think it's a great movie as well. Make sure you guys check out Air. But the Spider-Man movie, man, I'm excited for it. I think this is a great pair of Jordan 1s. I think they did a great job, to be honest. Are they as good as the 1.0? No. The 1.0, the OG Spider-Man, is a classic at this point. It's an iconic shoe. Those have skyrocketed in price. And when those dropped, a lot of people were passing because of that icy outsole. Now, look at those prices. Crazy high. I feel like something similar might happen here. Not to crazy high prices to $700, $800 like the OG, but they're gonna go up. It will take time. It'll be a nice long hold if you want to. I'm not saying sit here holding a bunch of pairs in a short term. No, no, no. This is more of a long-term play in my opinion. But I definitely think it's inevitable that these are gonna go up in price one day because of the Spider-Man theme, the Spider-Man name attached to them. And it's a really good Jordan 1. When you guys get them in hand, I think a lot of you are going to like them more in hand. So if you guys plan on copping the Spider-Man Air Jordan 1s, please comment a bunch of fire emojis down below in the comments. If you're passing, put a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who's copping and who's not. May 20th, the release date of the Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse Next Chapter Air Jordan 1s, and then the movie on June 2nd. Be on the lookout for these. Do not sleep on them. They will sell out, but there's not going to be a lot of resale. This is a very good pair of Air Jordan 1s, if you ask me. One of the better Jordan 1s we've gotten this year, and I'm a huge fan of the theme, the shoe. I think they did a great job. The only thing I'm not crazy about is the pattern going on, which I think a lot of people are not a fan of. But other than that, I think the shoe is great. They did a great job. The only thing is where is the Spider-Man? We can't tell this is a Spider-Man themed shoe. That's my only thing. The average person that's not into shoes, that's not a sneakerhead, they're not going to know that this is a Spider-Man themed shoe. That's the only downfall in my opinion. Let me know your guys' thoughts on that. Do you think that the average non-sneakerhead is going to look at this shoe and, hey, that's a Spider-Man themed shoe? I don't think so. There's no Spider-Man branding on them, which does suck. But us sneakerheads know. If you know, you know. If you guys want me to give away a pair of the Spider-Man Air Jordan 1s, make sure you guys get this video up to 600 likes. Smash that like button. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know your size in the Travis Scott Olive Air Jordan 1s. Then DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed to enter this free Travis Scott Olive giveaway. This giveaway ends at the end of the month. Good luck on a free pair of Travis Scott Olives. And if you guys want me to give away a pair of the Spider-Mans, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up for me right now. Smash that like button. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.